ass, whatever you like. Bring your girls, it's whatever tonight. Your man just left, I'm the plumber tonight. I check your pipes, oh, you the healthy type. Well, here goes some egg whites. Now give me that sweet, that. Let me tell you what we gon' do. 2 plus 2, I'm gon' you. Then we gonna go 3 and 3, you gon' me. Then we gonna go 4 and 4, we gon' some more. But first, got your boyfriend and meet me at the hotel room. You can bring your girlfriends and meet me at the hotel room. Got your boyfriend and meet me at the hotel room. You can bring your girlfriends and meet me at the hotel. We at the hotel, motel, Holiday Inn. 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 After party in the hotel lobby, then we all to the room like room. Put them fingers in your open up your blouse and pull that down south. Ooh, okay, shout it. 1's company, 2's a crowd, and 3's a party. Your girl ain't with it, I got somebody. And by nature, she's naughty. Now give me that sweet, that. Let me tell you what we gon' do. 2 plus 2, I'm gon' you. Then we gonna go 3 and 3, you gon'